CompTIA A+, Core 2, Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1, Summarize various security measures and their purposes. Privileged Access Management. Privileged Access Management, often referred to as PAM, is a security approach used to control, monitor, and secure access to systems and resources that require elevated permissions. These elevated permissions are typically associated with administrative accounts or accounts that have the ability to make significant changes within an environment. PAM focuses on protecting these high-level accounts because they are often the most targeted by attackers. If a privileged account is compromised, it can provide broad access across systems, making it critical to tightly manage how and when that access is used. Building on this idea, it is not just about protecting privileged accounts, but also about controlling how and when their access is active. This is where the connection to just-in-time access comes into play. While just-in-time access focuses on limiting when elevated access is available, privileged access management ensures that access is properly controlled, approved, and monitored while it is in use. PAM solutions can enforce temporary access, require approval before privileges are granted, and ensure that access is removed once it is no longer needed. For example, a system administrator may request elevated access to perform a task. A PAM system can require approval, grant access for a limited time, and log all actions performed during that session. Once the task is complete, the elevated permissions are revoked, helping reduce the risk of misuse. PAM systems also provide visibility into privileged activity. This may include session recording, auditing, and alerting on suspicious behavior. By tracking how privileged accounts are used, organizations can detect potential threats and respond more quickly. Together, just-in-time access and privileged access management help organizations reduce risk by limiting how long privileged access exists and by maintaining strict control over how it is used. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.